Most people don't realize they should treat their relationship with money like dating someone intentionally. Just like a meaningful relationship, it requires attention, understanding, and care to thrive. Hey champs, welcome to the Moneymind Quest. Today, we're going to talk about the psychology of money, secrets to wealth and business success, a lot of which deals with your relationship with money. If you are all about making smart financial decisions, you are in the right place. Stick with us till the end for some life-changing hacks, and be sure to join the Moneymind Quest champs by simply smashing the subscribe button. Get ready to stay wealthy. The old idea of money. For centuries, money has been seen as a scarce resource, something we must work hard to earn and hoard. We've been subconsciously taught to believe that money is the ultimate goal, the key to happiness and success. But is it really? Think about it. Money can't buy happiness, love, or fulfillment. It can only buy stuff. And let's be real. How many of us have bought something we thought would make us happy, only to feel empty and unsatisfied afterwards? Money is really just a tool, a way to exchange value. It's not the end goal, it's just a means to achieve other things. Yet, we often find ourselves spending most of our lives running after it, sacrificing our time, energy, and even our relationships. But what if there was another perspective? What if you could see money as just a tool rather than the end goal? The systems and structures behind money. Let's talk about what really backs those dollar bills in your wallet. Contrary to what some might think, it's not gold or silver anymore. Instead, the value of printed money comes from a system of trust and governance. Essentially, the US dollar is backed by the full faith and credit of the government, which means its value is tied to the economic stability and credibility of the country. So when you spend a dollar, you're leveraging a sophisticated network of economic confidence and regulatory frameworks that keep the financial wheels turning. The financial industry can sometimes benefit from our lack of financial literacy. They may encourage the belief that money management is overly complicated and that we need their expertise to handle it effectively. But the truth is, money is simple. It's a game of numbers, a game of supply and demand. Once you understand the systems and structures behind money, you can start to play the game differently. For example, did you know that most banks make money by lending out money they don't actually have? It's called fractional reserve banking, and it's how the banking system works. Or consider the stock market. It's often likened to a big casino where people bet on companies they don't own. Sounds crazy, right? But here's the thing. Once you understand how the game works, you can start to play it differently. You can start to the illusions of money. First, let's talk about the illusion of limitation. Many of us grow up believing there's never enough money. This scarcity mindset creates a psychological barrier that limits our potential. We often feel constrained by our perceived lack of resources, which can prevent us from taking risks and seizing opportunities. But here's the kicker. This limitation is mostly an illusion. The economy is vast, and opportunities are abundant if we change our mindset. By shifting from a scarcity mentality to an abundance mindset, you open yourself up to possibilities to start seeing opportunities where you once saw obstacles. Next, we have the control factor. Money can create an illusion of control, making us believe that our financial status is entirely determined by a superior class or external forces. While it's true that economic structures can influence our financial situation, it's also important to recognize the power we hold over our own financial destiny. To have a better relationship with money, start by taking control of your financial decisions. To do this, educate yourself about money, budgeting, investing, and saving. By understanding how money works and taking proactive steps, you can reclaim control and make informed choices that align with your financial goals. Let's address the notion that payment and financial success are determined by a superior class. This idea can be demoralizing and make it seem like wealth is only attainable by a select few. However, many self-made millionaires and successful entrepreneurs started with very little and climbed their way to the top through determination, smart decisions, and a clear understanding of money. The key here is to redefine what success means to you and to set your own financial benchmarks. Focus on your personal and professional growth and don't allow societal expectations dictate your financial journey. By setting improving your relationship with money is a lot like fixing a broken relationship with a loved one. It starts with acknowledging your shortcomings, such as poor orientation or lack of experience with handling finances. It's not just about a willingness to fix the problems or managing money better, but about committing to a transformation journey. Just as a truly transformed partner treats their spouse better, you need to transform your mindset and approach to money. Recognize that the negative ideas you've absorbed have contributed to your financial struggles and immerse yourself in empowering information that can guide you to financial success. This means consistently upgrading your thoughts about money and making informed decisions. By doing so, you'll cultivate a healthier, more constructive relationship with money, paving the way for a stable and prosperous financial future. So how can you have a better relationship with money? Start by viewing it as a partner in your journey, rather than a result or a reward for doing a job you hate. Think of money as a friend you save today who will save you tomorrow. Regularly review your finances, set clear goals, make them smart, and make conscious decisions about spending and saving. Treating money with respect and intention can help you build a healthier and more productive relationship with it. Understand that money is not just about transactions. It's about value and exchange. When you spend money, think about the value you're receiving and whether it aligns with the new idea of value currencies. Today we have new forms of value in the marketplace and new value currencies like cryptocurrency and digital assets. These new currencies are not bound by traditional rules and regulations. They're decentralized, democratic, and transparent. They're not controlled by governments or institutions, but by the people. And let me tell you, this is a game changer. With cryptocurrency, you can send money across borders without paying fees. You can invest in companies and projects you believe in without needing a broker. You can even create your own currency if you want to. Shifting your mindset. So, how can you quickly shift your mindset around money? Shifting your mindset is by immersing your mind in new, productive ideas through continuous and consistent learning. This involves regularly reading books, listening to podcasts, and watching educational YouTube channels like the Moneymind Quest. By repeatedly engaging in these activities, you can form new habits and ways of thinking. As the saying goes, as a person thinks, they actually manifest, meaning that by filling your mind with positive and transformative thoughts, you begin to reflect those changes in your actions and financial decisions. This repetition and dedication to learning help create a lasting shift in your financial mindset. This new information will help channel your mind to view money as just a tool, not the goal. Then you can focus on what truly adds value to your life, relationships, experiences, personal growth. Improving your relationship with money requires practicing self-control over your finances. So set clear boundaries that prevent emotional spending habits and don't let money control you. Just like in a healthy relationship, it's about mutual respect and understanding. Recognize your triggers and find ways to manage them. In today's market space, value is no longer just about money. It's about having an audience, providing solutions to pain points, and marketing information products. It's about building a community, sharing your expertise, and solving problems. It's about creating a movement, not just a product. And that's where the new ideas of value and currencies come in. With the rise of digital assets and cryptocurrencies, we can now monetize our value in new and innovative ways. We can create our own currencies, our own tokens, and our own systems of exchange. We can create value beyond just money. For example, instead of buying a new car, invest in a course or a mentorship that will help you grow your skills. Instead of going on that shopping spree, take a trip to a new country and learn about a new culture. Learning about a new culture could provide opportunities for offering solutions or acquiring an understanding of how a solution to a problem around you has already been created. Instead of buying a big house, invest in a community that aligns with your values. And instead of chasing money, focus on building a loyal audience, creating valuable content, and marketing information products that solve real problems. That's where the true value lies. If you want to learn how to create and monetize your own YouTube channel, so, champs, are you ready to take control of your finances? Be sure to smash that subscribe button and join our community of champions. And let's build your wealth and business dreams together. Remember, your relationship with money is like a relationship with someone you love. Nurture it, cultivate it, and it will reward